to kind of insult or disrespect you like that. So I personally want to apologize.
I said I hope he stays injured because I know that he's had a hard history with injuries.
The people them love it, but oh no.
You can manage?
I know if you can manage, you know, you have to manage.
Kim was like, the owner is super disrespectful.
You know, I keep me ear. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to the Wednesday social media countdown. So Berrydos, I'm in a good mood and I decided to make this a top 10 and not the usual top 5 on a Wednesday. So we have way things to talk about, from Miss Kitty to, of course, the Noah Lyles talking up his mouth about where Junelle Bramfield tell him so much. So much is in store for you. So just sit back, relax, and let's get into today's countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Spice versus Naro. Me mix up. Okay, Berrydos, now let me tell you, say, some time ago, you know, we see the interview with Spice and Naro. We never saw it coming, but the next thing we knew is that she was sitting down right in front of him on the Fix podcast. And so they spoke, but what was the biggest thing is that she finally apologized to Naro. And Naro also, you know, him said that there are certain things comments that he made that probably were just youthful exuberance and he did an OD. And so he did a bit of apology himself. Take a look.
Alright, so you can do me a favor? Suck your mother.
Alright. Yeah, the best in the building. Just for the for Horsey.
Hi, bestie.
Hello, bestie. Yo, enough people never believe when I call the bestie all these years. And I've been saying it. You're the bestie. They never believe.
But like your blue shoes.
Thank you. Yeah, I bought them with you specifically, like months ago. A month ago, they never buy them.
But like your shirt too. But like your shirt and your pants.
Yeah, menace energy.
But like everything about you.
See that, yeah. You know what I mean? Fresh cut too.
For real.
I like your blue shoes.
Okay. You know, I thought you'd never buy another pair of blue shoes ever again. Like,
she can't make me eat my favorite colors. She could never make me eat my favorite.
Okay.
Oh, go on there.
But no, this has been a long time coming. Yeah. I mean, I must say, I was like, is this gonna be awkward? But the energy coming in, it wasn't awkward. It wasn't weird, I must say, and it came with good energy. So I just want to ask, for me personally and for the fans, like, what happened? Because I thought that you probably hate Nara for life. Oh, yeah, the Fix for life. So really and truly, what happened?
I think for me, and speaking on my part, I feel like your platform is extremely popular in Jamaica, and so every week people would send me stuff. But I've never had the privilege of getting something from Naro that was good. It was always like, why is this man why he hate me? What, you see him come back with it? It was always something. Yeah. And so week by week, as I get things, it's always negative. And I'm like, well, goddamn. Wow. You know, for me, I feel like it's already difficult to be in this ever-growing business. Right. And so when you have a platform like yours, which is of its magnitude, once you go on YouTube and type my name, you also have to understand that's the representation, that's what people is getting from my own country. So I was feeling some kind of way, but what took it over the edge for me was when somebody came on your platform and them say, Spice and the Jamaican Beyonce, and him jump up, what? What do you mean?
Oh, I thought it was somebody else. Oh, okay, yeah.
So I was like, okay, I've had enough of this. But I feel like how I should start out, I want to start out with an apology. And
No, wait.
What she apologize?
Yeah. I don't know what she apologize for.
No, I want to start out with the apology, and here's why. At the time when it happened, I was so arrogant to the situation where I felt like everybody was coming down on me, including Naro as one of them. But now when I look back at the bigger picture, I feel like a person of my caliber, I should not try to, I should find ways how to, because you see, I get arrogant easily because of the multiple times where people just pick on me. Yeah. I feel like overpressured and overburdened. Yeah. But it should not be a situation where it should lead me to kind of insult or disrespect you like that. So I personally want to apologize for that. I feel like we could have sorted it out another way. I could have sit down with you, a big man thing. I said, Naro, you know, something like, oh yeah, pick on me, and this is why I feel like this and that and that. So I didn't have to go down the road if I tell you about your mother. So big up your mother.
Big up, moms. All in all, like, even during the time, like the aftermath during that, I say, yo, people tell me about mother all the time. Even when I play football and my scheme is like, it's nothing. But my mother, I really did want you apologize to at the time, because it's like she not used to.
No, to apologize to your mother, because she also didn't deserve that. Yeah. Mommy, big up yourself. Big up, Mommy. I apologize to you. I know that was very public. I know that was very public, and to just throw you into something that was affecting me and hurting me, you had nothing to do with it. So I apologize to you, Mommy. Spice, love you like that. Big up your nice, clean self. Yeah, Mommy. Sorry about that.
Because all I go on, like, when I see you, and this is real, when I see you, sometimes I see my mother, and like, in regards to like complexion and like facial,
really?
Like,
very well, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Yes. So like when they did it, I'm telling you.
So when I say you pick on her saying because you're black, I'm like, if Spice only
if Spice even know how my sister look or my mother look.
Like, but I feel like you pick on Naro.
No, and here's my part. No, right? Even though I did apologize, I think upon Instagram, but face to face, me family, right? Me apologize for my harsh critiques of you over the years. I'm just like, me have to take a check and say, you know, say, hey man, some of them did harsh. Even though,
that is it. That is it. Listen, at the end of the day, like, let there be peace and love in schools. Let there, yeah man, I always sing it. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with not me, but with them. Okay? Because they've been, well, Spice like it look a grudge and they look a malice and they look to company her art for very too long. But you know, when she's in this season, she comes around. We don't know how long it's going to last, but let's just be happy that they're able to actually resolve this and to do the grown-up thing and to talk about how it impacted them and getting over it. Okay, Burritos, so let me know, what do you make of this apology? You think it's sincere, and how long you think this little truce going to last? Sound off below. Number 9, Azan gives back me. What do you call the stuff that they have a sale? What do you call it? Oh, yard sale or make. I haven't really purchased anything on sale in such a long time. That's why. So I was trying to remember like the discount. What's the discount stuff that you know, the people do the
Buy one, get one free.
Oh, those stuff. Yes, the honestly, I really cannot relate. All right, that is really how I imagined Azan talking. But, so yeah, man. So some time ago, I spoke about the Azan video that went viral with their granddaughter. I think Sam Azan, when she posted the video where she got foreign and, you know, come back and I said, whoa, look at us escaping the devastation of Hurricane Beryl, our privilege of private jet. And so, yeah, if you don't remember, this was the video. And then, you know, shortly after that, she put out an apology and, you know, just to say, you know, she's not really connected to the Azan family and all of these things, and so she's going to hope to do better. If you missed it, this is how she spoke.
Dear people of Jamaica, my name is Samantha Azan, I'm 16 years old, and I recently uploaded a TikTok that was so insensitive, hurtful, and disrespectful. I truly am sorry from the bottom of my heart, and I want to apologize for my actions and words and the pain that they have caused. I live in Florida, and I was just in Jamaica for summer. I also want to make it clear that my family is not affiliated with any of the Azan businesses in Jamaica or anywhere else. I realized that the video was so thoughtless, not knowing the consequences or impacts that my words and actions could cause. For that, I am so sorry. This situation has really taught me an important lesson about the power of words and the importance of respect. I truly am committed to learn from this mistake, and I will educate myself and make sure it never happens again. I really hope you guys can forgive me, and I want you to know that I truly am sorry and I meant every single thing I said in this video.
Yes! And just like how me did say in the video where me believe say at this they need for those send her go to St. Elizabeth. Me don't know if she eventually went there, but the Azan family, Mr. Azan, I can't pronounce his name. Oh God, Aladdin, something where like we have lemonade it rhyme with. Oh God, this is so bad. But if you don't know, left the comment down here. So, but he's a man where a lot of people love him. The Jamaican people tend to love him. He seems very sincere, and so it was definitely a good PR move to put him as the face of Azan, giving back to the residents of St. Elizabeth. Take a look.
My name is Milad Azan from Azan Super Center Limited in Crossroads. I have some very dear friends down in St. Elizabeth, and as a result, we saw it within our company that we should try and help the people in St. Elizabeth. My grandson-in-law has started a fund, and he's the orchestrating of all of this. So far, we have sent down 2 truckloads with lumber, zinc, generator, chainsaw, water, hammer, nail, you name it. It all went down there. And we are now sending down 2 more trucks with a lot of food stuff, more water. A total value in all could be in excess of $5 million with the 4 trucks. And I think it's from our heart, it's not for any other reason. We are very compassionate people, and it's a method of us giving back to the people of Jamaica, the people that support us, and we have to help them in their need. I must also tell you it's basically a corporate help. We have gotten a lot of donation from Grace Kennedy, a lot of donation from Amalgamated Distributor, a tremendous amount of bedding and etc. from LP Azar Limited, also Cal's Distributors. It's an effort that we have negotiated and requested of them for donation, and without hesitating they all came forward. I want to thank them on behalf of the Azan family and the people of St. Elizabeth. May God continue to bless them all and prosper them. Thank you very much.
Of course, it is commendable. Yes, this is it. But I just wish Sam Azan was right there beside him, championing the cause and, you know, being out there in the field. But she couldn't really do that because my girl did say they're very much disconnected. So let me know, Burritos, do you think this is enough for you to still purchase from the Azan businesses? Or are you still upset about that video that was released some weeks ago? Sound off below. Number 8, Donna dress debate. All right, now my Planka Nation. So people, I don't know if you know follow up all the things on YouTube space, you know, but they're not on Jamaican YouTube. I know about Auntie Donna. Auntie Donna is the philanthropist extraordinaire. We could down a 99 Muscle Mountain view that even though she collect the money from her donors, the man should give back her mouth. Jesus Christ, Auntie Donna mouth. We did not mix and tramp and paralyze people name. She is very fiery as well. She don't like to take certain things from haters. And so recently she was invited abroad because she was being given an award, right? I guess for all her efforts and just to be being an outstanding citizen. And so she wore this, what do you call it? Is that lilac? Is that purple? Is that lavender? Somebody in the comments who know them color, know the hue and the saturation of all of these things. Please tell me what color was this? So she wore this dress. Go and go check it out. it looked very foreign, very, fabulous British link up. It was just giving glitz and glamour. And, it was, a lot was going on, yes, but I felt it just fit Donna as a very effervescent personality, right? But not everybody on social media did agree. Some of the people that did that said the dress never look good and she not stay good and where she go. We can get some of the comments then. What the comments did that say? Yeah, man, the comments were saying, one of the comments did that say something about like, what kind of dress that she have on, who send her in a that, all kind of stuff. And I'm just like, wow, Auntie Donna cannot catch a break. And so, soon, shortly after, Auntie Donna wasn't going to take this sitting down. She took to social media now and addressed all of those people. Watch.
And I say, when me come down the hotel, when me come down in the Ritz and come down on the ground floor, the staff, them in there, then we say, wow, you look, even the people, them, me meet so much celebrity in the hotel and me can't come out contact. When me come down in the elevator, I come out and everybody, oh my God, I love it. Are you getting married? And Miss Phoenix, I tell them, say, me have one event where I walk. The people, them love it. But, oh no. I'm going to see how someone shape like a jackfruit. Someone shape like breadfruit. Someone no nobody fi put on things in. Someone no mouth full up of rotten teeth. Some of not turn good. I want to come out and find fault of people and them clothes. Some of not ambition. I want to come out of the platform and talk about the woman clothes.
Okay, fair enough. Well, Burritos, let me know, like Auntie Donna share for her 2 cents. She said she love the dress and she don't like say our own Jamaican people tend to put it down when, overseas people are celebrate her. And so I think that's a fair point and something that she would have experienced that would have led her to this takeaway. But Burritos, let me know, do you think the dress they look good or not? Or do you think Jamaican people just love to bring down their own too often? Sound off below. Number 7, Pablo YG, me threesome. All right, Burritos. Yo, can you make some noise if you've ever had a threesome? Nobody? Wow, that's really good. I know my Burritos, I know my Burritos are angels. Y'all not doing any of these old other stuff, like going to Taboo, knowing what that person talked about again, with the Ensure and these type of things, and syrup and ice and peaches and cream and all of these things. Y'all not doing these things. Oh, no, don't know about Palisados. Y'all not doing these things. Elsha, y'all not doing these things. Y'all don't know. Lucky 30, I don't remember these numbers that y'all people know. Y'all are angels. Y'all, yeah, man. Well-behaved people. Okay, y'all don't know about that hotel that is never allowed. Okay? Y'all don't know these things, all right? And so, in this interview, dancehall artist Pablo YG, he sat down with, I think this girl is just really onto something interviewing this artist. She is pretty good. Excellent. She goes by the name of Cash. And so in the past, she's interviewed Armani, she's interviewed Valiant, and now she decided to have a chat with Pablo YG. And trust me, the conversations, just listen.
You're not the cocky on the phone screen?
No, I'm not going to say anything.
Why? You're not confident?
What do you mean I'm not confident? No, it's just a thing that we live in 2024 now. Mm-hmm. When I do them thing there again, it's just, if you ever text a girl, mm-hmm. you have to text her in a one view thing. You get me? I say because 2024 the girl them we like screenshot you and them things.
But if she screenshot you and you're confident?
That's why, no. You see me? At 2024 now, so you don't know so we do them things.
You're boring.
Boring?
Yeah.
Well, that's
you want a girl to send you a picture of crotch and you can't send a picture of you or something? Make it make sense.
Yeah, because, alright, suppose I tell me, say, me for send you a picture of this, because you are sending me a picture.
And so after that, she decided to, ask him about his dream threesome, and here are the 2 entertainers that he requested.
What will be your dream threesome?
Jada King now.
Oh, you want Starkey and Jada?
Yeah.
We could combo that. You can manage?
I know if you can manage, you know, you have to manage.
Buck you up, right? I mean, I vibe with you. The vibe is trash and your dick small. Why am I gonna fuck you? You're speechless now.
I don't know about that, but I like it, yeah, I like your smile. I like your eyes, them.
That's it.
No, I like everything about your steak. You're a good girl. Isn't it?
Oh boy, you play every day.
But big woman thing still.
Tell you something. You smoke, right?
Yes.
You and your friend, you pass around your weed or you smoke your soup by yourself? Answer the question.
Pass you on my
Alright, you don't. Alright, you don't know.
So what? Me know
you
that,
don't
what
know.
You mean? That me don't know.
You don't know what some of them doing in the bedroom.
But I believe in them, bro. Sex position you want to try that. I haven't tried it.
Foot on shoulder. Foot on shoulder different like when you're laid on. I'm talking about like standing up like somewhere different. You know, like that type of vibes.
My freestyle. You get me so.
You get flexible.
Yeah, my tapping it. You know.
I think I'm possibly pregnant with a baby. So it was between two guys.
Room, call cash.
No man, like honestly, I think Pablo YG needs for us to have his own show or do an interview each and every week because this brother is just memes all day. Like just as long as the brother is high, him just going to be entertainment. Just good for TV. And so he mentioned Jada Kingdom and Stark Ashley. And I'm like, that's a definitely good combo. Not the combo where KD usually that talk about Donna Portmore. What's that how much again? Not that I would really be aware, but I think how much was it? Editor? I think you had visited at the time 2,500. That was it. Oh, it was the $5. Oh, you got the $5,000. Okay, you got the $5,000 special. So you had it to your folks. So this is a different type of combo now. The Stark Ashley and the Jada Kingdom, and the man said he would cross it. Like if you get a combination like that, you cross it. So now I'm going to ask you, Burritos, to the youths them out there that watch the countdown. If you had a dream threesome, I ask woman them, which two people would I want in there as well? I am going to be in the comments fasting. Okay? And do not say Shelly and Alien out of order. Do not even go there. So don't bring it at them because of Olympics. Don't say Shelly and Sharika neither. Respect.
That's not bad.
No!
The Muslim moment.
My God. That is, no, let me stop. Cut this, yeah. Number 6, Classism J.A. Mirror Man, my word. Oh gosh, let me just tell you this. You have the Tommy Chin and Wayne, and you have another YouTube couple, that is the Virgos, that is Romain and his wife, Elizabeth, and them have them nice family with the little kiddies, the twins, and just very much love and light and adorability over there. And so, Elizabeth, she never really get to have her a proper baby shower for her earlier kids. So this time around, she do a nice little show, a little spectacle, something nice. The little, show her something good. And so her team, they approach Constant Spring Golf Club, so that they could host the celebration. And when that person from our team and the Virgos, them talk, them go tell her this. Listen.
Site visits. I think Romain made mention of this or show you guys already. And confirm and everything we asked, every question we asked aligned with what we wanted, and we said, alright, we're locking the venue. Send out invitation. Only to get a call from Kim a day before the show to say, listen, we're gonna have to change venue. So when we asked why, Kim was like, the owner is super disrespectful. We shared that we wanted to do some draping in order to have some privacy, and he went off on me, stating that he has had more premium and elite clients spending more money, and he name dropped, called the corporate names, and it's not gonna happen. I hung up in our ears. So when that happened, they say, looks like we're gonna have to find a new venue. If we don't find a new venue in a few hours, we're just gonna have to cancel. Thanks be to God, because we're not telling a lie. We did feel that way. And of course we have the option of using our lawn. But because I didn't have a baby shower when I was pregnant with Emma and Reina, I just felt like I wanted to, do something bigger. And I'm glad me keep calm because that was a stressful moment.
I mean, like classism in Jamaica is still real, you know, and some people them need to just tone down a little bit. You know, it doesn't matter how much money somebody have or who is of higher. What did it say?
Elite.
More
and
elite
premium.
and premium. It don't matter. Like I just respect. That's all. Like you have a way to deal with people. You know, whether or not you want people at your place, you have a way to deal with them. Say, hey, listen, what you're requesting, I can't do it. I'm so sorry.
And everybody needs to be on the same page as well. Like if it's one business, you can't have some people deal with people good and then you have up at the top.
No, sir. Oh, my word, my sentence, my paragraph. Them never tell the Virgos them this. They tell the people them say, them have better clientele, richer people, bigger money, and all of these things. I mean, I tell you, that's why you need some little raging bad people in your family. So when them all say this now, you're going to send them up there, you know, for create excitement on the people them. Because this was just out of order. Because you know, Remain too classy and Elizabeth too classy, but that's when you need Punchy. You need Punchy and Marva and Sonia. Forget this information and go up there and I'm like, am I really come about? Am my family really come about? Stinking, dirty, Constance. That are the people them where you want. Because if the people them are going to cuss you like this and come hang up phone in your face, that is a big disgrace. And the question comes, you know, Remain spoke about the classism. Like, would they be okay providing that privacy shield for somebody else? For one of the hazards? Would it have suddenly been something that could have been communicated? Because I'm just like, even if it is a policy that you don't normally put into action to have these privacy screens there or shields there, communicated in a different way. But to then go and a name drop no one and say like, who you think you be? You're too nice for this. If them people never did ask me for that, who you could have ever think you be? That never called for, man. That didn't call for. And so, yeah, man, I do believe in the classism. And we see it each and every day. And if you're black, you have to have power like you see in bold to even cut through them something there. Me, I tell you, you have to have either some name, there's a hierarchy. It's either you have where we give you a little entry fee, a little light skin, you try to have power, you try to have influence, or you try to just be super wealthy. And after all the little things that can make you somewhat offset, bucking up the classism. But Burritos, let me know your stance on this matter. Sound off below. Number 5, Ren King. Boop, boop. Oh no, Jesus. Oh Lord. Oh God, that might be insensitive. Jesus Christ, brother, shut up in a way. Jesus Christ. Like honestly, I really meant no harm. All right, so dancehall artist Ren King recently was under some very heavy scrutiny after a news story broke where it was alleged that he was in possession of an illegal firearm, right? And this happened over in the United States. So the people have said, Jesus Pim, after what he went through in Jamaica, why am going to put himself in a them type of bangarang here for potentially be sent back to Jamaica for go buck up the people them where my try to escape from? Okay, and so we don't really know what is confirmed or what is fact from what is fiction. Big up the nightclub I used to keep. But at the moment now, Ren King get tired of it. Him tired of a little sauce and decided to share this message on his socials. Watch.
Hopefully now my fans and my supporters them. You know what I say? They want to say me make a video, you know. I never did for do it, but me have to do it. You see me? Yeah. I want to know how can I get my album to be promoted the way how I see you guys is promoting something that, you know, we don't really know 100% about. I don't even all I try to, like, I try to, you know, I'm not like that. TVJ, Smile Jamaica, the Jamaican diaspora, you see me? Yeah, maybe gonna like stop promote fuckery, bro. Like, you see me, just drop a good album. Let's see what I deal with that, so. You know what I mean? Yeah,
Okay, I mean, that's fair enough. that is definitely fair enough for him to say, well, him expects say people would show the same enthusiasm to promote and to talk about this album. But let me just tell you this, people love the Ray. People love the little Ray, and people did actually talk about his album because it was a thing that a lot of people look forward to. But I guess Jamaican people love mix-up. We just love hear a little story, so you can't escape that. Down to you, Ren King, right now if you hear say, Shensi have one little video where out the league, all down to you, broke your neck and find your way for go and move one step for watch it. Because it's just, this, we just bagga. Okay? We just bagga, and you have to just kind of understand that too, okay? So, you know, just hopefully you get to sort out the issue with the whole license and everything can be resolved. All right? So now below, what are your thoughts on this matter? Number 4, Kitty clap back. Me? I can't bother. Oh, I'm going to say my tongue tired, but I know how uno brain. I know how uno brain stay, okay? So, me la la la, la la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Doodle doodle doo. Bomba! Yo! Me nail it a while ago, you know? Like me see the note and I say, Berry, I wonder if you can cross it and I just say, yo, just tap into your inner Mariah Carey. And I lit the note. Like, come on, Burritos. Y'all watching, don't me lit the note. Don't it? Come on. Which other content creator could have? Jesus Christ. Boy, when God give me talent, them, you know, me just, honestly, rising stars miss me just because me oversleep. Me miss the audition process. But it now pass me next year. Anyway, so Miss Kitty, you know, she's been taken to the TikTok streets. Yeah, man, getting her name out there and I do her lives them, and it has been going on splendidly. That go on good, right? And so, while on the live now, somebody decided to talk about her looks. And so, you know, Kitty, like Auntie Donna, never make this just slide. She decided to properly address this person. Watch.
My husband love me with wig, without wig, with makeup, without makeup, with whatever. He loves me in all my forms. And just as I am. Because some of you just have that looks. On head empty, every part of empty, on just empty. Throat empty, belly bottom empty. Because the way some of them look good, as we want to say or think, we're supposed to have all buildings. I don't know, because the person don't look good to you, it's alright. You're not an host that don't look good to me. You know, somebody might say, but your bank account empty. Hello, howdy. Thank you, my sweetie. Your bank account don't look good, your education don't look good. And then you have to hear say, that's all she ever talk about education, like a share alone of education. No, and a me alone have it, but you not have none. And you're not an ambition either with all the looks that you have. And that we are talking about. And that we are talking about, you know. Alright then, let us go with what you guys ascribe as look good, right? European features, right? I'm proud of my African ancestry, right? I come from African background. My nose could have straight so because of Africa, look at my people them come from, right? Don't have the Serengeti part, don't have the partridge for the lion, tiger, and bears them did they, right? But only European features look good. Me notice with Uno, anytime people don't look brown or fair or have certain curly hair or certain straight nose, they not look good. They not look good. You not look good. Okay, alright. So it's what matters. And it come back again. You don't want to take things where people don't have no control over. Oh, yes, we come here, yo. I have no control over and cuss them. And then when we cuss you know about some other things where you can control. Oh, she can go and cuss them. And then when we cuss you know about some other things where you can control. Oh, see?
Oh, okay, that is it, Miss Kitty. That is it. One of the things you don't dare go in a one tracing match with Miss Kitty. Because Miss Kitty I go cuss you and then also edify you. Like I just saw, you can imagine somebody I bring it on and when you leave, you can be like, Bumba. I actually add 1 or 2 words in my vocabulary, you know, like Jesus Christ. Shabba this and then enlighten you. I can't let them people there. Because if you have to cuss me, we have to dart together. Because the way me just love education and love learn. Yeah, like this me I use one word and me I feel like, yo, you ate with that. Yo, that was wow. Bomba. Yeah, that talk to me, just drop inside coffee just me I go be like, whoa, Kitty me I forgot rate. I can't cuss you again. Can you make me learn something? So, you know, all me have to say is just allow Miss Kitty happy in her life. She big up her husband all her time, our Corinthian post. Me need to go read the scripture there, you know. Because she always talk about it, our Corinthian post and boss for every boss, done for every day. Yeah, man, Kitty love them man there. So that's slow and make sure do her thing. All right, Burritos. Number 3, predatory behavior. Okay, Burritos, now let me just tell you this. Jamaica is not a real place. And so this TikTok user posted a video detailing an experience that he had while coming home from a club with some of his female friends and, you know, and how that in-driver interacted with him. Just take a listen.
Bro, you see now this your country named Jamaica. We have some things we normalize, we're nothing normal, bro. You see me? Cause best believe me, did there Mecca with my dog and couple girl, right? And you know, so everybody I enjoy themselves and vibes are going, liquor, pour, everything nice, you know, bro. You see me? I'm here to tell you, say, as the club are locked down now, about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, obviously at time for we go back to our living arrangements, you see me? So we call up the in-drive now, you know, bro, and we forward in the in-drive and thing, and while we just dead there, while vibes and everything good, you know? You see me? And with the girl, them just laugh up and them are gone with them little drunk self in the back, sing song and, oh baby, and I sit down in each other lap and I go on with beer foolishness in the dog, and me and my dog just enjoy ourselves too, you see me? But the driver is not saying a word. Him just observe, but him silent, you know, bro, you see me? I don't know what the brother I think, but I was about to find out, the best believe, you see me? So anyways, as we are driving thing now, the craziness just keeps increasing. And as we reach back to our living arrangements now, a time for the girl them come off at the stop, you see me? So me tell you, say the door open, and the girl them a come out and a stumble over themselves and a laugh and a giggle and bye guys, da da da, blah blah blah, you see me? I would just wave them off and thing and them go inside now. Bro, you see, as soon as the door closed, as I said, the driver and I said nothing all drive, you know. As soon as the door closed, you know, hear the man now, no? Hold on there. So you know, go inside, go fuck off them drunk girl there. You know, go inside, go fuck them off. You know, say it easy, you know. You know, easy when them drunk, you know, go fuck them off, no? I mean, I say with a bomb. I tell you, bro, to how me did shock, bro, that are probably the second wildest thing a Jamaican man has ever said to me. You see me? Because me I tell you, say, bro, we're not talking about a state. Oh, by the way, just to keep it clear, none of us were particularly gone to a point of super, like, extremely destroyed, you know. But the thing is, he does not know that. The driver mind, the girl them destroyed. And that is why he's encouraging us to commit crimes. You see me? And I'm just like, bro, that is extremely disgusting. Like, bro, not for them money are really predators, you know, bro. Like, them even hide, bro. Them things say predatory behavior is normal, and that is extremely wild in my not even my personal opinion. Like, what? That's the law. That's morals. That's just being a decent human being. You see me? Like, anyway, big up on yourself still. Woman, them keep on yourself safe as always. Man, them don't be a waste man who deserves the death penalty. And you see me? Big up on yourself. One in trap.
Okay, all right. So the brother posted that video. And I'm just like, all right, then I guess a lot of people would have come in and definitely agree with this young man that his stance was to definitely protect his friends and look out for them. Because, you know, like, yeah. But I don't think me did prepared for all the comments them would have really not been in favor of this youth. Like, a lot of the people them were on the side of the in-driver. And boy, in-drive can't catch a break. Then can't catch a break. So the young man said that basically him friends them, the woman them were him the around them pick up, so them the intoxicated, and the driver was just like, why never just run in pan them and just take what you get and re. You get me? That's how the driver did that say. And so it made him kind of think about like, yo, supposed to never in the vehicle, supposed to just them alone, the driver would have clearly just and I'm like, the shocking part is how bold the people them comment and say, yeah man, you do what you want to do, like a easy pickings. I mean, like, that was wild. Like, look at some of the comments. I mean, like, that's wild. And there's some people with them public pages that left some of the shit. Some people they call the youth like soft, etc. And I'm like, this look bad. This look bad, pan just man. Cause like, you know, there are certain little things you understand, but clearly for the woman them and stuff like that, boy, you can't see somebody pan like they're done. Like, they're done. But they got one party one time and this girl, I don't know who she go to with. She must have out with her friends them and look like they must have left her. And this girl she was out. Like, not even in an attractive way. She out in a point where like vomit here, look a mess, everything just. Ugh. And when I tell you, by the time I did a pack up equipment with the team and stuff, there were almost about 5 man. You know, you watch a movie there like Lion King, and you see the hyena them, you have 5 man just around and there some taxi man. Some taxi man just kind of there around, so I just watch like them and wait to see which, when she go pass out and which one of them would have in charge of carrying her home. Me and my friends them see that, and we there for just like intercept, come here and say, oh my God, yeah man, we know how the night here go end now, because this, she go missing. And then now I just take with them, she's definitely going to missing, so we therefore go find one driver, and luckily one of them was actually familiar with her and was an older person that was able to remember a stop when they come drop her off. And so they stayed on the phone and he was able to take her home, and she was okay, but it definitely did confirm, say, that is of course a part of Jamaican culture, for you just wait upon the easiest victim will literally look like them on the verge of completely just passing out. That's just that. What are your thoughts on it, and do you have a story to relate to this incident? Sound off below. Number 2, X voice notes. Wow. All right, that's the only sound I had for it. All right, burritos know, so on TikTok there is a new trend. Well, not really new, but you know, it's a trending thing right now for people to basically mime voice notes of their ex. And you know, when Jamaican people jump in, them conversations here never they go normal. Just take a little listen to what these voice notes are sounding like in the street.
I see they say my call you how to do it, me go do it too. Cause you go walk around with the whole of the KFC girl and I want them doing them all a video you. Every little thing them have you in a them phone, and use not them man or use not nothing to them, but them have you. Don't make me go in another region there, because you will not gonna like it. I would there workplace every single day, sit down like my homeless. Do not test my feet. Cause you throw food, give me brother, you throw food, give me. Like I beg you, and dog, you give something. Worry yourself, man. Cause I realize that you can do everything and I mean not do nothing. If you look,
you get me angry sometimes like a stinking boy. I eat it, but whoop your dead, you know? But whoop your dead, Kevin, but whoop your dead was weird.
You see me quint in the next bumbo clock minute, brother. And you know put in, and you know send me bumbo clock password for y'all Shanty Road email charge. And me all have my client a deal with way a bumbo clock town, brother. You see when man come back up at Spain, brother, I kick man and kick off your head off for your charge. Stop fuck with my money, brother. You feel like some man a play, you make man wake up out of them sleep and can't do them client number. Don't make me have to talk some dark things just now. You don't make man have to ask you 2 times, brother.
Anything you want do you do, Robert? Because the truth is, obviously someone else have your attention, and I'm not gonna go back and forth with you, I'm not gonna argue with you. You just said to me say a while ago, say, if I want to go on, I go on, and me make you know, say, if me did want to go away, I would dep on the phone with you, I would even not argue with you, but make it go on. Because obviously, you get what you want already. You get what you want already. I still want no man stay. You know, always, you know, play out until, you know what I mean? So, if you want to go on, you go on.
No boy can't like me. No boy can't like me. You think a little brother? No boy can't like me. You under my spell, me tell you that. Me say no boy not go them way there and box in your face. Yo, me do the grimy, so me fuck you like me my last. You think me yeah, me tie you. Them me a give brother. Where you think all the last from you see all the period? Yo, wait till me catch you, man. Go on a town, go let me tap your mid there, beat my chest. No can't fuck you like me. Go on a town and come back. Go on, me talk.
iPhone. Yo, do you have a bugger girl on the side ready? I just slip your place and you slide down. Same time, as me slip my place, you replace me KG or you want name. Or you take 100 miles. Say, you slip your place, me name replace her with that girl fast and quick, swift. Me not laugh. Just eat. Brother, me not nothing of that. Me give you a little piece of me out to the left, you know. Me see how quick you move on quick, my friend. I just one of them things there.
You sure know you see me a call on your phone and don't make me have to reach up your yard night. Yeah, remember say man have a card and I one phone call and reach up this time. Me the business about your and uncle. Yeah, me I tell you. Because me just come out and create a chaos in the night. Yeah. You hear me, I tell you? You want to see how mad me be? You want me to just drink off a flask or I come out and crazy up about that? Holy idiot.
Big up the woman and I still have a little self-respect in a car. Glad. Why? Me say, when I sit in, I say, vice no for a hex. Glad. Then the man that like, you know, sodomite word. Which other word the man they use? Jesus Christ. Then the man they can't like, you know. They can't like, you know. And see you here? Oh God. Father God, what happened to me youths? Me youths, them, what happened to them? The world is...
Nah man, them something are rough in them streets. Like, I couldn't believe say only for the woman them actually have them partner call them like dog shit, drunk, like some names. And the woman them like, oh my God, I talk about Ufatili, little and who could I get this from somebody? Like savage. Savage in these streets. And some of the conversations them are like, we don't feel shame. We don't feel shame. There was a youth, a female woman must go post one of him go post one of the voice notes where him ex sent him. And the ex was just like, oh, you can't use your tool and like it boring and all kind of things like that. And the brother actually posted on social media, you know. Him never business say him had shame for himself. So he couldn't be a part of this trend. That is wild. But Burritos, anyway, just let me know what are your thoughts on this new trend. I'm actually going to leave you out with my own voice note on this trend as well. So you're not going to get that coming. All right, we're going to go to the next number. You see, Uno? Mix up that same thing I Ren King can talk about. Baga. And number one goes to Lyles Shot Too Much. Wow! Wow! Oh my God. All right. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Noah Lyles. Yeah, man, Noah Lyles talking too much. He was talking too much. All right, so Noah Lyles on a recent podcast. It was an over hour-long podcast, right? And he was there along with another American athlete. And he was basically talking about track and field and mentioned Jamaican track and the culture. And he definitely mentioned that the Jamaican track and field space can be very toxic and combative and all of these things. And I'm just like, Noah, watch your little mouth. I watched Sprint the other day. I'm just to that try to, just kind of respect him as somebody who is trying to make the sport more engaging and build up like some competitive nature and build up the rivalry and all of these things. But him come across as like, when I look at pitting there with just, when you have a classroom and you have the little one pitting there where everybody thinks that they escape like the assignment, and you have that one pitting get up and say, but miss, you don't ask for the homework. I did my homework. And you just want, oh my God, and you're like, Jesus Christ. Why you have to just be such a limit? You told that is Noah Lyles, right? And so he's involved, he's in a relationship with, Jamaican sprinter Junelle Bromfield, and she's a 400 meter runner, right? And she qualified for the Olympics. So yeah, man, she occupied the third spot. So the two of them are going to the Olympic Games in Paris, right? And so what people have an issue with is the fact that the brother go up on the podcast now and go mention, say, a Junelle, he woman, act as him like a secret FBI, CIA agent. And I report back to him. Listen.
It's funny you say that because, Junelle being Jamaican and having trained in MVP, I've been getting the drama from Jamaica in camps for at least 5 years now. There's a lot of times where I make references to Jamaicans. I'm not saying it because I'm like trying to go back and forth. It's because I know information that other people don't. And it's like Junelle and Elaine used to be very close friends. Like they were training partners through 2021, very close. Then she was extremely close with Sharika. She's still very close with Sharika. You see her in the series doing Sharika's hair. That's Sharika's wig woman right there. She's already, she was just buying wigs for Sharika to bring to the Olympics yesterday. And even talking about like Kashane Oblique, she's close with Kashane. I've known about a lot of the Jamaicans that are on the underground and usually Janelle's eye for talent is very strong. If she says that somebody's going to run fast, they usually run fast. So I'm very hip to information that a lot of people is just like, oh, this came out of nowhere. No, I kind of saw it. What were you gonna say, Noah?
She spoke on Kishane like pretty early, I remember. Like he's been this good and he just got hurt. He's about to do something crazy this weekend. And that was right before Jamaican trials.
Yeah. And when we were in the interview and they said how fast he run, I said I hope he stays injured because I know that he's had a hard history with injuries. And that every time he runs fast, he usually has to be taken off because he usually hurt. So the fact that he was able to keep going is like, oh, this is great. He's actually being able to show his full potential.
Yeah, that's like having that insight of, no, I've been knowing that this cat's that they're pretty good. Or he's been around. It wasn't breaking news to me. I've seen this type of talent coming.
Exactly.
How no, were you about to say something?
Yeah, I was going to just quickly get to like Jamaican track Twitter. It's like the most toxic world. It's the most toxic world you can get in track and field, like drama filled and toxic, and just like shots being thrown, accusations are being made a lot of times about him. But
of course, because I'm winning.
It's a lot of fun going through Jamaican track Twitter there. You'll have a great time.
Yeah, I had to come off Twitter for a while just because of that. It was just too much. Even not just Jamaica, because I expect it from Jamaica. I mean, they're a little conflicted right now because I'm dating Junelle.
Right.
I have a good relationship with them. To be honest, at the end of the day, it's just a rivalry. And people are, I expect the rivalry to be hot, just like US is going to cheer for me. I expect the Jamaicans to cheer for, their people. It's a rivalry. And then everybody wants to take shots at the king. So, while you're always going to have a target on your back. But to go back to, Jamaican Twitter, yeah, they are ride or die people. But I love it because that's what you want to see. You want to have that nation behind you. So yeah, it is a wild trip. So be prepared when you go in.
Yeah, like I said, it's a good time. Just exploring. You're gonna find some things.
Yeah,
yeah. No, I know. Like, I'll post a video and I'll have it like if I'm saying, Noah Lyles versus is Noah taking down the Jamaican throne, the reign. I know what I'm doing. I'm like, I know every comment is gonna be, you're dumb. You don't know nothing. He's not on this. I'm just like, I know what I'm doing. I know exactly what's going on. They ride or die for their people.
No, honestly, I cannot believe the brother go up on the podcast and go talk up all of them like something there. No, let me just don't get it wrong. Of course, I expect say him and Junelle for talk because in a podcast with that they had with Asafa Powell, Noah Lyles shares that they both enjoy discussing track and field and talking about just athletes and the changes in the sports and all of the latest developments. So me understand that. But Noah, he was recently under scrutiny for talking about Kishane Thompson and him remaining injury-free. And a lot of people felt that he was being very, extremely shady. And so in an effort to, I guess, defend himself and to cover up and to make it seem as if he wasn't coming across from a well, the word name, you have a word that starts with M. Malicious standpoint, big up yourself, you know. From a malicious, say a pirate kitty. From a malicious standpoint,
very hip to information that a lot of people is just like, oh, this came out of nowhere. No, I kind of saw it. What were you gonna say, Noah?
She spoke on Kishane like pretty early. I remember, like he's been this good and he just got hurt. He's about to do something crazy this weekend, and that was right before Jamaican Trials.
Yeah, and when you know we were in the interview and they said how fast he run, I said I hope he stays injured because I know that he's had a hard history with injuries, and that every time he runs fast, he usually has to be taken off because he usually hurt. So the fact that he was able to keep going is like, oh, this is great. You know, he's actually being able to show his full potential.
He, I guess, tried to say, hey, I'm woman, make him know that, but in an attempt to do that, for elevate for himself, him go thinking woman now. Cause now she gets set up on the whole of Jamaican track and field. Can you imagine the next piece of training a go on and somebody a chat and them say Junelle come cross, everybody silent. Silencio por favor, immediatamente. That's what the word go, immediatan. You don't know what I'm trying to say. Immediately. Gosh. No man. That is bad. Say the girl that tell you about who athlete get injuries. No man, you shut your mouth, Noah. You know say these things. So now, Burritos, my question, now, what happened now? People start to attack Junelle Bramfield. And I say them wish she should win a race and all kind of things. I don't agree with that. You can disagree with it, but like, I don't think it's her fault. I think it is more Noah, and how it came across is that she was basically serving him and acting as a spy in the Jamaican camp. That's how it would have resonated to people, and we never like that. Sure, them can discuss things, but the way he brought it across, he says she run out there and not feed him information, power go on with him competition, and that is the I like the little perspective. They make her look like so she act. Yeah, I love it. But Junelle not care. Because Junelle put up this screenshot. This something upon her story basically I say she catch flights, not feelings, and she in a first class and she comfortable. She live life and in charge and she no business about any of you naysayers. Me have to say, Junelle, just enjoy the ride. And I just hope he will continue to remain with you. Because Jamaican Twitter discussing if that man ever look left tomorrow morning and call upon somebody else. So just easy Junelle and make the Jamaican Twitter just beat your body for the next couple of days. That is all. Burritos, let me know what you thought of Noah's comments. Sound off below. Well, that's it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 Social Media Countdown. Make sure you say you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to make the Dutty Berry Show channel your home for all of the entertainment, pop culture topics, right? Once you've done that, follow me on all my social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the Social Media Countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them. Talk me, how what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.